So today we're just having a look at this cordless Black & Decker screwdriver. It's AA battery powered. You get four AA batteries. Slide in the back there, and you also get a few bits with it. It's got a reverse button, forward button. As you can see, it's not going to be the speediest. Let's see how much power it's got. And you can also flick that into the lock position, and then you can use it as a manual screwdriver, just for that extra bit of power if you need to tighten something up. Got these small screws. Let's try sending these into this timber. Right, that's just about sunk it in. See if we can take it out. So I put that in and out, but it's not the biggest screw in the world, and it did struggle. So it's not got massive amounts of power. We'll just try that again. So just about getting there. So you can see it's going to be more than adequate for little jobs like that around the house. Now, one thing I would like to know is if this has enough speed to drill into something like plasterboard. So you wanted to hang a picture, could you drill into plasterboard? I've got these Milwaukee Shockwave drill bits that have a hex shank, so they will fit. And the irony's not lost on me that these are about 3 times the price of the screwdriver. Well, let's see how they get on. So here we have just a plasterboard wall and a trusty Black & Decker. And then can we get a plug in? Yeah. And back to our screwdriver turn out. Say you wanted to hang a picture or something. Definitely possible. So we know it'll drill into a sheet of plasterboard. What about wood? I know this is really not what it's meant for, but I'm just testing it out. Clearly going to work, but it's going to take you a heck of a long time. One thing I've noticed as well is a lot of wobble in that fitting, so you're not going to end up with the straightest of holes, but it does work. So what is this for? Well, in my mind, it's sort of a replacement for one of these, a ratcheting screwdriver, a ratcheting manual screwdriver. Be great for opening things up like appliances, electronics. And as I've shown, you could hang a picture with it if you really needed. One of the downsides is obviously that it's AA batteries, not rechargeable. You could replace them with rechargeable batteries, but that'll likely cost you more than the actual screwdriver itself. But once you've done it, you've got those batteries, I guess. It's quite a bit of wobble in the truck. It's slow. It's not the most powerful thing ever, but it was £12 for an electric screwdriver, and as an actual screwdriver, it'll do everything you want it to. You could do a bit of light drilling with it. It could come in very handy if you don't have a drill and you just need something to put pictures up around the house, small things. Take a few screws out, it'll brilliant, do the job for you.